Hi everybody, Professor Bedeler with one final motivational video to get you through the semester. We are wrapping things up. Oh my goodness. Tuesday, which will be the 30th, you need to be aware, very important, your Unit 4 and telepath is due, but extremely important is your Unit 4 discussion board responses are due on the 30th by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time, and they will not be accepted after that date. So please get those in. Okay. And Tuesday, the 30th, will be chat number 5, our very last chat. Like I said, I always get sad when we end the semester. I love working with my students, interacting with you in the chats and hearing what you have to say in the discussion board. And it's always sad to see that end. So anyway, please join in on our last chat on Tuesday the 30th, which will be held from 5:30 to 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Okay, then the Unit 5 due dates. Friday, August 2nd, you will have your Unit 5 Determined Knowledge due. Remember, Determined Knowledge is very important to complete because it allows the system to create the learning path that you will have to complete for the Tuesday and telepath due date. And that last Tuesday and telepath day is Tuesday, August 6th. Please know that I am here for you. If you have absolutely any questions, do not hesitate to contact me. Okay, everybody, have a great week. Get that Unit 4 DB in, and let's do this. Stay C2 strong. Have a good one.